Now guys, we're going to check out this little set of Cripop? I don't know. Electrical tools. So these are like insulated. What do they say here? 1,000 volts. I'm not going to test that today. So you'll just have to let your imagination run wild. I think these have magnetic tips on them. Yeah, they do. I like a good magnetic tip on a screwdriver. All right, so this one's your standard Phillips head. I like these cutouts in this little box that it comes with. Standard slotted head. Little lanyard holes. Little rubberized grip. That's not too bad of a grip. Oh, I like that. We got a wire stripper. We're going to try that out in a sec here. Some side cutters. We can try those out right now. You know, there's another company that does their handles like this. Very popular. Really good grip on these, though. Like that kind of rubberized handle. All right. Little cut stuff. That looks good. Look at these guys. These Linemen's are chunky. Holy smokes. These are big ones. And of course, they got their own cutters, too. Yeah, buddy. And like a crimper down here. See that? Huh. I don't have any terminals to crimp. Like a smasher. I got all sorts of stuff going on. This is the kind of one where you can put your fish tape in here and grab onto it and pull it. It's got a fish tape puller. That's pretty smart. That's a big old pair of Linemen's pliers. I don't know if you know this, but these double as a hammer. Let's try stripping some wire with these wire strippers. Kind of your standard issue wire stripper. Cutters on them. All right, this isn't bad. Let's see here. Okay, so regular and then millimeters. Solid and stranded. Let's do them from this side, I guess. So this is 12. Little needle nose guys on the end here. All right, strip the wire. That's what wire strippers are made to do. I like when they have springs in them, because if you're doing a bunch of strips over and over and over again, it gets really exhausting. So I like having the spring in there. There we go. Yeah, it works pretty good. You can throw a piece of wire in one of these holes if you need to make your loop. Boop. Make a little loop there. Unloop it. Got a little crimper end on this one too. Yeah, that's a fine wire stripper. And this case, this case isn't too bad. It's EVA foam, keeps everything in place. Little handle on it, kind of like a little lunchbox. Go to town to see your grandma. So yeah, looks pretty good overall. Cripop, I don't know.